Hello, everyone. Hi,
Hello.
good evening.
Hi Pallavi, good
Hello.
evening.
So good to see all the happy faces, and I'm very glad to see the full attendance today in the meeting. And I hope everything goes well and we enjoy our session with the COVID 19 theme. So, are you guys ready? Shall we start with the meeting?
Yes,
Yeah.
please.
Yes, please go ahead.
Okay, so today's discussion is about the agile development phase, where the team is working on the e-commerce website, and the sprint goal was to deliver add to cart functionality, where a user can add product to the cart. So I'm just giving a brief agenda of the meeting and introducing all the team members we have today. The Scrum team comprises of a product owner, Scrum Master, and the development team. In the development team, we have 2 developers and 1 tester. Uh, Unfortunately, the team could not deliver the sprint on time because of the team conflict. So the PO is not required in the conversation herein today. I felt that everyone can open up and give their point of view so that we can pick up some improvement which we will carry forward in the sprints coming in the upcoming sprints. In this meeting, we have Neetu and Apur, and they are the developers. Gunit as an application tester, and we have Avilash, and he's the timekeeper, and he's already recording the time. So just Avilash, give us a head up if we are not completing all the tasks on time. Okay then. So I will just explain you guys today's retrospective theme and the structure and why I have chosen this theme. So today's theme is on COVID-19 structure. So what COVID-19 structure depicts is sanitization that represents what went well. Okay. So then the next phase is outbreak, which represents what went wrong. And the last one is the flattening of curve, which represents what to improve. As now the COVID-19 is the most trending topic in the world, the team can easily relate and break down their thoughts into the given categories. So I have chosen this theme. And as you guys all are working from home, so I thought that it is going to be very interesting for you all. So I have already sent the happiness poll and the sprint retrospective online link to the meeting invitees during the session, and I'm really very happy to see that you guys have filled the survey and as well as the retrospective board. Filling it before the meeting is actually very helpful. It gives us more time to discuss. You guys can resolve many things and discuss on the points. So I will share my screen at the moment, and we will start discussion on the topics which you guys have mentioned. So are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So you have 7 more minutes to discuss the remaining content.
Thank you very much,
Okay.
Avilash. So guys, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's start our discussion on sanitization. Sanitization means what went well. So, Apur, I can see that you have mentioned the first
Mhm.
point. So, shall we start the discussion?
Yeah, sure. So I found that the user stories were well defined and they were self-explanatory, and even the acceptance criteria was well defined.
Yeah, I completely agree with that. The user stories, it was a good head start in starting the development easily, and we could go about with the development without much roadblocks in the beginning. Another sanitization point that I would like to highlight was the team dinner that we had. It was a fantastic experience, and we had a great time with the team members. And I believe we should plan it more frequently, which will allow us to know each other better. So yeah, that was a good point on the sprint.
Yeah, I think we all should give a thumbs up to this point. Okay, then do you guys need more do you guys want to add some more point in sanitization part, or shall we move to the next part, which is the outbreak, which is the what went wrong in this sprint?
So we can go to the next part.
Okay, well then we will start with the point mentioned by Guneet. Yeah.
So in this sprint, we couldn't achieve the sprint goal just because I have raised few bugs, but and the bugs was not fixed on the time, so I couldn't complete my testing in the given time frame.
Okay.
Another point that I have added is no team synchronization. So what happened was I picked up a task from the Scrum board, but later on I realized that Apoor was already working on it, but this task on Scrum board was still in the to-do list. So I was not aware that somebody else is already working on it, and that led me to do some redundant work, I lost some time there.
Okay. Okay. So any more points you want to add on that?
Yeah, I would like to highlight something that I was working on a story, but I got stuck in between, and I tried to contact Neetu to help me out, but I couldn't find some suitable time to discuss that when she was working from home. Maybe that's the reason.
Okay. So is that all? What went wrong in the sprint, or you guys want to highlight some more points?
I think we can move to the next session, that is flattening of the curve.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I would like to go first, where I want to just highlight, as I said, the point before. So my suggestion would be that like everyone who is working on a story should be able to move the task, should make sure that he moves the task from on the Scrum board from to-do list to the next in progress, so that others are aware in the team that task has already been taken up, and we can focus on the next prioritized work. So that would be really helpful for everyone.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So can we move to the second point, or any more discussion on the?
Yeah. So I want to add a point here. So the developer should add their story completion screenshot. This is for reference for the tester, just because I can go through each and every acceptance criteria and verify that, okay, the whole story is completed by the tester. Or if there is any query, so I can go back to the developer and and confirm whether he has already completed, or so that I can move the task to done.
So what you suggest here, Puneet, that under one particular story, if there are, let's say, 5 set of acceptance criteria, we would have should have a screenshot with respect to each criteria, so that
Yes,
you know that
yes,
everything is
yes. So
complete.
if one person has completed acceptance criteria, means one story, so there are two acceptance criteria, which can be completed in part of one story or one task. So one task is enough. So I can go back to the developer and discuss with him whether he has completed everything or not. So it will be
All
easy
right.
for me, yeah, to move the task to done.
Yeah, sounds good.
That's very well. Yeah. So shall we move to the next point, or any more points?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think I feel that we should have frequent meetings to discuss the development queries. That would be really helpful.
Okay, I will.
Yeah, that's true. If we have a assigned time
Yeah.
every day, we can all set up that time apart in our work schedule and meet up to discuss and to bring everybody on par.
That's a really perfect point. I should take this point forward, and we should always practice this on the upcoming sprints. So here I would like to share you guys one more thing, that is the happiness poll, which I had sent you, and I would like to show you guys, like, this is the vote which we got from the happiness poll. As you guys can see that this was not a really happy sprint. It was 50% sad and 50% very sad, and we would like to have a very happy happiness index, or very happy. So we will take up some points which I concluded from this sprint onwards, so that I want to see the happiness poll to be very happy and all the thumbs up coming from there. So the action items which I concluded, which will definitely go to the sprints coming forward, are the team should update the status of the stories on the Scrum board, which is very important, to have a clear understanding of the activities performed by other team members. It will help to reduce the redundant task and it will really save a lot of time. The one point which I got from the Neetu's story. So, however, however, any developer who is developing a story has to attach a screenshot in order to see whether they are meeting all the acceptance criteria. It will help the tester to do a better testing, and the product can be a working software very soon and go to the production phase. And of course, the last part is the communication. Communication has to be very transparent. And if any team members find difficulty in communication, they can always raise a blocker so that I can follow up with the team and complete the task. So that is all from the action items which I collected from today's meeting. And going forward, we will try to fix all the areas of improvement for a better flow. So any points you guys want to add, or any other problems or anything apart from the work, if you guys want to share, you guys can always tell me. I feel I'm a very friendly person and open to speak. So you guys can come up anytime, and I'm ready to hear any of your problems related to either work or dealing with your personal life. We are just looking forward for a smooth and interactive team. So that's all from our side, and thanks for your time. Anything from you guys?
Thank you,
No,
Pallavi.
I'm good.
That was a great session.
Yeah, thanks. It was a good session.
Thank you.
Thank you. So I'm just sharing my screen, and I'll meet you guys soon.